Hi, hello, welcome everyone. I'm going to present my presentation on maths. The activity overview is a play-based pool noodle fishing and it's basically children's led activity. It is for children aged 3 to 4 years old. The maths concept that is I'm going to teach is sorting out and counting on. The link for the EYLF curriculum would be Outcome 4 and 5. Outcome 4, children are confident and involved learners. With the component 4.1, children develop dispositions for learning such as curiosity, cooperation, confidence, creativity, commitment, enthusiasm, persistence, imagination, reflectivity. And component 4.2, children develop a range of skills and processes such as problem solving, inquiry, experimentation, hypothesizing, researching, and investigating. With the outcome five, which is children are effective communicators, the component is 5.4, where children begin to understand how symbols and pattern systems work. The language is simple and a mathematical language. To introduce the activity, I will be sitting in a group. I will ask the children to sit in a circle and place the small cut pool noodles in the middle with the colors blue, red, green, and yellow and the yarn. I'll ask children to name the objects. So I'll ask some simple questions such as where can you find this pool noodle? What can you do with the pool noodles? The colors and so many other questions. So from here, children will have a guess about the proposed activity. I will explain to children what we are going to do next. For the step two, I will let the children drop the pool noodles in the water and give them some net to pretend as they fish the pool noodles and place it in a big container provided. From there, I would ask children to sort out the pool noodles according to the colors in the colored container. After that, they will count the pool noodles. In step three, I will ask the children to stack up the pool noodles as high as they can and count them. They can use the colorful method of patterns as they like. They can make towers as high as they can. After that, in pairs, using the yarn, they will thread the pool noodles according to their color preference of making symbols using their creativity, patterns using their creativity. I will ask them to make what pattern did they made and count on how many pool noodles did they thread. During the play, I will ask some questions such as what are the colors of the pool noodles, how many they end up fetching, and after that, I will allow some quality time for them to play and explore the water and pool noodles. At times, I will step in and show some interest so that children get some ideas on what they are doing. Next, we go to the evidence and justifications. This is with from Staglin 2005. It is adult-child interaction that models moderate moderate to high levels of physical activity, meaning that educators were at times as physically engaged in active play as the children. In this activity, adult to child interaction would be as high as could be, so that children are engaging in learning through play enthusiastically. Play does not happen in a vacuum. It is usually undertaken with a physical and social space, according to Lester and Russell, 2008. In this activity, children play using pool noodles with natural, that is water, to make learning more fun and physical and social space, which make them more engaging. The disposition for learning is such as curiosity, openness, optimism, resilience, concentration, and creativity, SACSA 2009, are developed in play. In this activity, children use creativity and concentration while threading the pool noodles, at the same time demonstrating curiosity, resilience, and etc. Play provides opportunity for children to learn as they discover, creative, improvise, and imagine. Humans are born problem seekers. In this activity, children find various ways of imaginary play and try to solve problems. Thank you for watching.